friends, welcome to my channel. Did you know what I am going to make today? Guess what? Today I am going to make a hydraulic cannon. I got this activity from Explorer box. We are going to use this guidebook. We are going to use some plates, syringe, rings, wheel, cube and other accessories. Now let's start.
Secret flame, it burned in shame, back and forth through all those years. But finally we both are free. I threw my baggage overboard, I let it go. Are you in or are you not? I won't block the door, but tick-tock, if you are gonna take a shot, then come at me with all you got around. Just let me go. Just let me go.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.